Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to Bake Cook Travel. Today we are going on another food adventure to one of Toronto's most iconic summer experiences, the exhibition. The Canadian National Exhibition, or the CNE, or X for short, has been a family-loved Toronto tradition for 140 years and usually marks the end of summer in the city. The X is a carnival-like event with rides, games, shopping, concerts, interactive activities, and of course, food. The X is famous for its carnival food vendors, giant food building, food trucks, and every year they release crazy new food flavors and creations, sometimes called the weird food of the X. In this video I will be showing you some of our favorite and weirdest bites and what to expect when visiting the X. So let's go to the X. At the X you can pretty much get fried everything. The first thing we tried were fried pickles. Nicely sliced dill pickle, beer butter, fried and topped with a creamy dipping sauce. These were crispy and juicy with a little heat. Another fried thing we tried was the deep-fried Mars bar. This was something I was really curious about. A Mars bar on a stick, covered in pancake batter, deep-fried and then covered with caramel, chocolate and icing sugar. An incredible chocolatey bite. Super different, very sweet, so be ready, but definitely exciting and worth trying. One of our favorite fried foods were these deep fried cheesy curds. They were incredible, oh my god, lightly buttered, so cheesy and gooey, with a delicious dill cream sauce. One of the best bites of the day. Whenever you are at the X, you have to try the mini donuts. There are two different vendors. Tiny Ton is very popular, but we tried the other brand this time and they were really great. You get a whole bag or a bucket full, and even watch them being made, which is super cool. They come warm, light, covered with icing sugar, and even had a little hint of orange citrus inside. Good value for your money and very tasty. Near the Princess Gates, there was a mini beer and food truck festival that had some great options. One food truck we tried and loved was the Spicy Rack. They have incredible fried chicken sandwiches and poutines. We got the Mamma Mia Supreme, which was delicious pieces of boneless fried chicken on crispy Gordon fries, covered in Italian flavors, sweet peppers, Italian parsley, parmesan, and a creamy mayo. So good and so fresh. Beaver Tail, of course, is a must-try if you're in Canada. This time we tried the Avalanche one, the score cheesecake, and it was very delicious. There is a cheesecake food truck with a bunch of cheesecake on a stick, cheesecake donuts, and in a jar. We got the lemon meringue one in a jar, nicely layered whipped cheesecake. Perfect for you and a spoon. There are also great beer garden and concert areas with live music, from country to pop, to rock and roll. There are very fun games for all ages. For the very little ones, there is also an amazing area with rides. And of course, very good ice cream. The gondola ride is a must-do, a great way to get the best view of the entire park grounds. It goes above all the rides and passes by the new soccer stadium BMO field. At the X, there are also great buildings for shopping, home decor, clothing, basically anything you can think of. There are also big indoor shows like the famous Super Dog shows. Also where we had one especially cool treat that was from Frozietti. Using liquid nitrogen, they freeze the flavor goodies to sub-zero temperatures, create an amazing frozen smoke effect coming out of your mouth and even your nose. This was so much fun and something I've never experienced before. I had half cheesy balls and half fruity balls. The strawberry one was the best. The hot ice cream waffle is a very traditional must-have when you are at the X. A very well done waffle filled with vanilla ice cream. Simply delicious. The food building is famous for having hundreds of food vendors under one roof. It's a maze of flavor, so many amazing options to choose from, and lots of different selections that you normally find in a mall. We had a blast looking around for the perfect bite. After all the sweet bites, we really wanted something fresh and meaty, so we picked the iron skillet, which was fresh sirloin, grilled onions and peppers, and a cheddar mashed potato, all in a cast iron. Fresh, healthy, and flavorful. One of the most talked about food creations this year was the mustard and ketchup ice cream. I tried the ketchup flavor because I was too afraid of the mustard one. I got it in a cone, so it was ready soft to serve ice cream in a waffle cone, dipped in ketchup, with a ketchup dipped French fry and red sprinkles. It really smelled like ketchup. The ice cream was subtle and refreshing. Oh my god, it's surprising the taste. It was surprisingly very good. If you're there at night time, make sure to check out the beautiful fountain and some live bands. It's a long day when you go to the X, and it's really worth being there at night to see everything light up. So this was my tips and treats at the X for you. I hope you like it and go have fun. See you in the next video. Ciao! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On Bakecook Travel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.